Hey guys, welcome back. So, today we're diving into something super practical, how to pull data from LinkedIn using APIs and automation tools. If you've ever tried copy-pasting profiles one by one, you know how painful that is. This video's gonna save you a ton of time. LinkedIn has over 1 billion users now. That's insane. Think about all the info there: profiles, company pages, job listings. For recruiters, marketers, or anyone building B2B lists, it's basically a goal, but digging through it manually, total nightmare. That's why APIs and automation tools exist. They help you grab that data in a clean, structured way. Now, you've basically got two paths. The official LinkedIn API, this one's safe. Approved, but kinda strict. You'll need to set up OAuth and get permissions for certain data. Third-party services like Magical API, these are way faster to set up. You just sign up, hit their endpoints, and boom, data comes back as JSON. But yeah, they usually cost money, and you still need to respect LinkedIn's rules. Here's the basic flow. You create an app in LinkedIn's developer portal. Get an access token with OAuth and start making requests to grab stuff like names, job titles, locations, whatever's public. If that sounds too technical, that's exactly why services like Magical API are popular. They hide all the messy setup and just give you the data straight away. Quick heads up, don't go crazy. Only pull public data or stuff people gave you permission to use. Don't try scraping emails or private info. LinkedIn's strict about that. Also, watch out for rate limits. If you spam their servers, your access can get cut off. Let's say you're hiring developers in New York. With the LinkedIn Profile Data API, you can search for people with React or Python in their skills, filter by location, and automatically save a neat list: names, job titles, links to profiles straight into your CRM. No more endless scrolling. So, here's the takeaway. If you want long-term safe access, stick with LinkedIn's official API. If you need quick results without the tech headaches, something like Magical API will get you moving fast. Just play by the rules, and you'll be fine. Alright, that's it for today. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what kind of LinkedIn data would you want to extract. Transforming careers in data analysis with the power of AI with Magical API. www.magicalapi.com